Hi, Roy Williams with Airframe Components, and welcome to episode 3 of the Piper Warrior Restoration Project. So today we have Sarah back with us overseeing the project, and of course she'll be the recipient of this aircraft. But now Sarah, you're a little tired this morning. You were out till 1 o'clock last night.
We were doing some night flying.
Getting your night flying requirements in for your private pilot's license. So you're back with us this morning here. So here we are, July 2nd of 2019. We started this project here this spring, and so we're making some very good progress on the project. So we just kind of wanted to give you an update of where we stand at this point. But Sarah, last time we had the fuselage all detailed out, the repairs made to the fuselage. Here we are, we have the aircraft in the hangar now. We have the wings installed. We have the entire empennage installed. Of course, brand new wings, brand new control surfaces, brand new tail pieces. So everything is coming along very nicely. We've, of course, epoxy primered the interior of the fuselage as we had that apart. The landing gear, in the first episode, we'd taken that all apart and stripped the paint. So those have all been inspected. Painted up with a titanium silver, and then all reassembled, rebuilt and reassembled then. So we have the landing gears going back in place as well. So here we are right now with the airframe pretty much going together. We're waiting on the engine. We've purchased a brand new engine from Lycoming. We're waiting for that to show up here, and we'll install that. And I think at that point we're going to be ready to fly this airplane. So we had breakfast with Danny King from Sturgis Aviation last weekend. I know he was prompting you on colors. Have you and he come up with anything yet?
We don't have anything set, but we know we want red.
We know we want red, and but as far as a paint scheme, a base color, we're still up in the air on that.
Yes,
all
sir.
right, that's fine. N number, have you narrowed that down yet, or are we still waiting on that?
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Well, very good. So we'll keep you in suspense a little longer on both of those items. But we're going to do this project a little bit differently. As soon as we get the aircraft together and flying, we're going to go ahead and take it directly to the paint shop, have the paint put on, and that way you can have senior pictures taken with the aircraft. Once we have the airplane painted, then we will go to avionics and then finally upholstery and interior last. So Sarah, your take on the project as we look at this over here?
I think it's going along really good. The wings look great, and especially all of this new paint down in the landing gear looks good.
All the little detail items will really make this stand out.
For sure.
Well, very good. Well, Sarah, like I said, we just wanted to kind of give everybody an update on this project. Stay tuned for future episodes of the 1980 Piper PA28-161 Warrior Restoration Project.